Good morning. Starting our day with conditions that are quiet. We've got that beautiful clear sky, meaning we get to see some nice colors on the horizon, even during the 4 o'clock hour this morning because of that earlier sunrise now. So that's been nice. The problem is that we are quite cold. We're looking at temperatures that are pretty chilly if you're going to be stepping out to take in that sunrise. So one more morning where you're going to want that heavier coat, where you're going to want to perhaps start your car a little sooner so it's not so cold in there. Maybe a little frost on the windshield too that you'll need to defrost. And here's a look at your temperatures right now. We are in the teens yet again. There are a couple of places that have dipped down into the teens this morning. Some of the usual suspects, Hallock and Bemidji, both at 19 degrees. And then in contrast, Detroit Lakes is at 32. So there are some places doing a little bit better than others. Fargo's at 27 and Grand Forks is 21 degrees right now. So all of us at freezing or below freezing for another morning here this morning. Looking at our wind speeds, they are less than 5 miles per hour in most places. And it's going to be changing up for us today as well. And that's going to be a big difference maker as our next system moves in and a warm front along with it. You could see some hints at it down on the bottom of your screen, bottom left, where we've got clouds and some snow down in South Dakota. We'll zoom out and you could see it a little bit better over by Rapid City and Black Hills, seeing some snow on the upper elevation area there. But today we will stay more on the sunny side. Here's a look at our planner for the rest of the morning. Expect to have conditions that are frigid, but as we move into the afternoon, the wind is light. So that's not going to be fighting the sun that we were seeing yesterday. And then the wind is changing direction too. So that's going to help us out a little bit. It's not going to be a huge warm up, but it'll be better than the day before. And we'll just keep building off of that most days this week. And temperatures by this afternoon, we're looking at about 50 to 55 degrees. So here come the clouds into the evening hours in the western part of our viewing area, continuing into the late night and into tomorrow morning. And with that front comes that chance for some rain around this time tomorrow morning. And this kind of continues. Chances for rain doesn't mean it's going to rain right where you are all day long, but the potential is certainly there as we start off the day, as we continue on through the morning and into the afternoon as well. This is noon tomorrow. Check out those winds too. They're really picking up at that point. We're looking at gusts getting to around 40 miles per hour out of the southeast at least. But that wind-driven rain will be unpleasant, and this is going to continue into the afternoon. Temperatures likely into the 40s to some low 50s, so taking a minor step back in temperatures, but it won't matter because it's still going to feel uncomfortable out there with the rain and the wind. So looking at our liquid precipitation, this is the rain associated with this event. Anywhere in green, that's where we're looking at the potential for more than a half inch of rain. So there are going to be some places that get a good dose. But notice our temperatures. They're on the rise. Tomorrow's going to be a little bit of a hiccup there, but then after that, we're getting into the 50s, some 60s, and eventually 70s by the end of the weekend and to start next week. So spring's coming back and maybe even a taste of summer here in our 7-day planner.
I'm looking forward to that. Thank you, Lisa.